Yeah, hello guys. Let's start with patterns today. So, because many of you does not have compasses or maybe not have protector and everything. So, for creating pattern, you just need a pen or paper and scale maybe. Because you can see I'm using a lining page. If you have plain white paper, you can use a scale to draw line. So yes, and I'm using a normal gel black pen. What is it? This name? I'm not very sure. See, but this is a very thin pinpoint page. Okay. So let's start today. We'll create some very basic patterns. So yeah, I'll show you how it goes. So generally, all of the mandala they will be creating using a leaf kind of structure, like half leaf. I'll show you how to fill. We'll learn few basic patterns, then we'll learn to create a round mandala, and then we'll fill these patterns only, so that we need not to worry about the filling. So the first step is to create a leaf kind of pattern, like half leaf kind of pattern. Now it is generally recommended to give a second line to your each smaller pattern, so that it will look tiny and it will not get mixed up with all the patterns. Okay, it will look separate when you create a whole set of patterns, right? So let's start with a very basic. This is a very basic pattern. Okay, I'm just showing it how this goes. So this is step 1, step 2, step 3, okay, now step 4. So you okay, let's fill with another side of leaves also. With similar pattern you can create so many style. Either you can leave one side blank, or you can color one side full, or you can simply color one side and leave one side one black and one white, like that. Okay, so this will be a step 5. Step 5A. So when you practice, you will get command over the line, straightening of line using the pen. I'm also new, so I don't know much. Okay, so this is how one single pattern will learn. Okay, so this is first pattern. Now go to the second pattern. I'll teach you the second pattern also. Okay, see, the second pattern will look like this. Okay, I'll repeat because somehow my camera got stuck. So let's do this. Step first will be this, and now step 2. It is like creating a flower inside a half leaf. These are very basic patterns. Outlining is required, I told you, because This will distinguish it from another patterns. So now let's learn another patterns. All you need is practice. You will get somehow. You'll get to know how to correct your errors and everything. Okay. So yeah. Pardon me for my mistake was also. I'm doing it little fast because I'm running out of time. Okay. So similar flower you can use by creating sideways. See how beautiful it is. I love creating flowers. So this is the final pattern look like. Okay, so see, you can see there are, you can leave it as it is, or you can just do similar way it is done here. So these can be like two different patterns also, right? Yeah. So let's learn the fifth one. I'm using flowers only today because let's learn one thing first. How many things you can create in flowers. First one I did as a leaf because that was a very basic thing. So yeah, I've created like 4 petals and 3 petals just to show you how the fillings you can do for the scene. So let's go like this. Okay, you can fill like this, or you can simply put like this. Okay, and now other filling you can do like this, or you can fill the lower area. Next, simply create lines in the lower area. Okay. Now just color half of the flower. As you can see, only using the flowers point, I have created 5 different patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So you can practice these 5 patterns like more and more, like 5 times each. Right? I did it because I did not want it to create more time. So we'll go one more step with flower petals only. So let's see. Okay, this is a whole set. I'll create one full pattern sheet also and show it to you how it will look. But for now, just practice each note how many times you want to do. It depends on you, or just create a sheet with each pattern, like five steps, right? All the 5 steps, and then create a like continuing pattern with this. Yeah, so let's go to the another one. Okay, so I don't know, maybe flowers are my favorite, so I'm starting with flowers. Now I'm not telling you every step because I'm recording a video. You can see how it is done. So when I will not record a video, so I'll write every step. Okay. Yeah, for sure. You can suggest me also sometime. This is the very first video I'm creating for any kind of tutorial. Any kind of tutorial. So maybe going live is not a better idea every time because I'm getting it ruined also. Okay, so here the full page looked like. Nice.